We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive overview of the VARSK Contour Gauge Tool with lock, a measuring scribe profile tool designed for DIY enthusiasts, woodworkers, and handymen. This tool is especially popular for tasks such as woodworking, flooring, tiling, carpet laying, laminating, and other home improvement projects. It comes in a 5 and 10-inch size combination and is praised for its ease of use and accuracy. The VARSK Contour Gauge Tool is designed to duplicate irregular shapes with precision. Users simply press the gauge against the object to be measured, lock the shape in place with its upgraded metal lock mechanism, and then trace the outline for cutting or fitting. This process eliminates guesswork and significantly speeds up projects that require fitting materials around complex shapes like corners, pipes, vents, and door jambs. One of the standout features of this tool is the upgraded metal locking mechanism. Unlike many other contour gauges that use plastic locks, VARSK's metal lock is more durable and reliable, ensuring the shape remains fixed without distortion. This feature is highly valued by users who rely on accuracy for professional or detailed DIY work. The tool also features an adjustable tightness mechanism via screws and an included Allen wrench, allowing users to customize the resistance of the plastic pins for smoother or firmer operation depending on their preference. The gauge includes measurements in both inches and centimeters on dual sides, making it versatile for different users and projects. The pins are made from durable ABS plastic with a heavy-duty aluminum core, which protects the finish of the object being measured and provides long-lasting durability. The 45-degree pin teeth design further enhances measurement accuracy by allowing the pins to conform closely to the shape. Users report that the tool is lightweight and easy to handle, weighing only 1.5 pounds for the 5 plus 10-inch set. The size is convenient for most home and workshop tasks, and the tool fits comfortably in the hand for precise control. Many have found it to be a significant time saver, reducing the time spent on measuring and cutting by providing an exact profile to follow. In practical use, the VARSK Contour Gauge Tool excels at capturing the precise shape of edges, corners, and curves. It is especially useful for laminate flooring installations, where fitting around walls, vents, and pipes can be challenging. Users frequently mention how the tool helped them achieve perfect cuts and professional-looking results without the frustration of trial and error. The tool is also appreciated for its gift presentation. It comes in a nice gift box, making it a thoughtful present for men, dads, husbands, grandpas, or anyone who enjoys DIY projects in woodworking. This has contributed to its popularity as a practical and useful gift item. Despite the overwhelmingly positive feedback, some users note minor drawbacks. A few mention that the pins do not always press down evenly when tracing very small or intricate angles, which can lead to slight inaccuracies. Others point out that the tool may not perform as well on very small angles or highly uneven surfaces. However, these issues are generally seen as minor and do not detract significantly from the overall usefulness of the tool. The build quality is widely praised. While the pins are plastic, they are strong and durable, and the aluminum core adds robustness to the tool. Many users express confidence that the VARSK Contour Gauge will last through many projects over the years. The locking lever is effective in preventing the pins from slipping once the shape is captured, adding to the tool's reliability. In summary, the VARSK Contour Gauge Tool with lock is a highly recommended tool for anyone involved in DIY, woodworking, flooring, or home improvement projects that require precise shape duplication. It simplifies complex measuring tasks, saves time, and improves accuracy. The metal lock mechanism and adjustable tightness set it apart from many competitors, providing durability and customization. Its dual measurement scales and ergonomic design enhance usability. If you have this tool or plan to get one, consider leaving your own review to help others make informed decisions. The link to the product is in the description, and supporting the channel by using it is appreciated. This tool is a valuable addition to any toolkit, whether you are a professional craftsman or a weekend DIYer looking for better results and less hassle.